Hey everybody, it's Madam Skylar and I'm back with an unboxing video. I'm gonna start trying to fix my horoscope schedule, but for right now I'm just gonna open up some boxes that I ordered for some tarot stuff. I'm not feeling too well, so I'm not gonna show my face, but these are some boxes that I ordered off of Amazon, and they contain like crystals and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys how, good these are. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the Sailor Moon tarot deck. I thought these were the actual ones, and they are not like actual like tarot cards that you can read with. These are like real main cards from the main Japanese site that I ordered them from, but they aren't actual tarot cards. So here's the box of the boxes. Having to cut this video around because I got people talking in the background that are actual people and not ghosts this time. But yeah, these are the box with all the characters. And that's the back of the box. It's really pretty, I like that. But as I said, this is not an actual like card deck that you can read with. This is like collectors, and I didn't know that when I ordered it. I was just like, oh, Sailor Moon. And here's the little paper that comes with it, and all the cards listed. These are all the cards that are in the tarot deck. So we've got Sailor Uranus, who's the Fool. This is hers. Really cute. Sailor Mercury, my favorite. She's the Magician. Try to put these in order. Then you got Sailor Moon, who's the High Priestess, which I think is weird. They should have put like Luna. And then there's Sailor V, Sailor Venus, the Empress, Tuxedo Mask, the Emperor. These aren't like hologram or anything, so it looks like they should be though for some reason. I don't know. This is Sailor Neptune, the Hierophant, Sailor Venus again as the Lovers, and Sailor Mars as the Chariot. Sailor Jupiter, my second favorite, Strength. Sailor Mercury again, the Hermit. Sailor Jupiter as the Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Sailor Uranus again. Sailor Neptune as the Hangman. Then, this is like my ultimate favorite. This is Death as Sailor Saturn. That's really cool. Then you got, I think it's the Temperance, yeah, as Sailor Pluto. Then you got Mistress Nine, the Devil. As I said, these kind of repeat. Got the Tower, Sailor Mars. And you got the Star, which is all of them. The Moon, which is Sailor Moon again, which makes more sense. And then the Sun, Sailor Chibi Moon. Judgment as Pluto. And then Sailor Saturn again as the World. And this is the back of the cards. It's really cute. Yeah, this is like a collector's card deck. This isn't something like I would consider to read with. It'd be cute like if you could frame them or something. I thought about doing that, but other than that, they're gonna stay in the box. So yeah, pretty cool. The next thing is a sage burner that I got. I got a sage burner because my old one was really like messed up. It was all burnt up, so we used it so much. So hold on, let me open this. Alright. So this is supposed to come with like a new stand and everything. So yeah. So this is the stand for my readings. Ooh yeah. It's really nice. I like that smell when you open it. This one's actually a better stand than my other stand, like falls over. And then here is the shell. I love that. That's so cool. I love seashells. This is nice. I love that. So yeah, just places. Try to get my camera going. I actually ordered a mic and a camera and a converter cables finally, so should be able to get this all in order now. But yep. Oh yeah, and I forgot that there was some sage that I also ordered in here. Oh wow. We got some wood blocks to burn with. Let's see if I can set this back. And it's pretty cool. Some more sage. Keychain. That's right. Baby keychain. Then we got the name of the store, a feather. Need one of those. The name of the store. Put this in here somewhere. Box this. Okay. Yeah. The name of the place. Can leave feedback on. Smudge kit. That's really cool. So yeah. Certainly not least, but I ordered me some crystals from this company. Hoping they're good, so we're gonna see if they are. I really pray that they are anyway. Wow, so it comes with a little bag. Don't know what's in it. I haven't opened this yet, so I have no idea what's in it. The other stuff I kind of already peeked, but this stuff I didn't. This is more of the real box opening. So yeah. So it comes with a little bag, it's velvet. Wish I would have painted my nails so they look better, but okay, so we got a pack of crystals here. Let's see how these are. So yeah, these are nice. I needed some new ones for charging. My old ones, there's nothing wrong with my old ones, obviously, but I just love collecting crystals. I like having a bunch of them to, like, charge and to use for readings. And, oh man. So, there's somebody talking in the background, but I'll just have to ignore it. Anyways, here are, some of the other crystals that are in here. These are really nice. I do think they're real because of how they feel. I can always tell between fake crystals and real crystals, you know, because real crystals, like, they're heavy, and that's what these are. They're like really heavy, and then like the fake ones are usually like super light, like it just feels like you're picking up plastic. But yeah, these are really good. little, so it's like a little box that you get each month. And I like these. And here is a huge card, well not huge, but it's like a card that has everything like in it. Yeah. Tells you like what it is. So yeah, these are the crystal boxes. As I said, excuse my nails, I've been working today. Went to a party and everything and got to paint them and do my manicure. But anyway, these are real, these are nice, I like these, so I'll be giving them a good review. So yeah, that is my crappy unboxing video. Hopefully I will be able to give you guys a better video once I get my equipment in the mail. I've ordered it, but it hasn't came yet, so once it comes, I'll be able to edit my videos better because I got a video editor and camera and some lights and a decent background that's not my messy bed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Kisses, bye.